The MLA of Jirang, Sostenus Sotun, yesterday visited the village of Nongwah, Mawtamur to interact with the village leaders and elders from the Patharkama civil subdivision in Ribhoi district. This visit comes as both Meghalaya and Assam governments are progressing towards the second phase of border talks to address the remaining areas of dispute along the Assam-Meghalaya border. The purpose of the visit was to address the concerns expressed by the villagers of Nongwah Mawtamur who fear being absorbed into Assam despite historically falling under the jurisdiction of Meghalaya. Sotun assured the villagers that he would raise their concern with the government of Meghalaya, particularly emphasizing the significance of valid documents in the ongoing border dispute. The legislator reiterated that the villagers' stance on retaining Nongwah Mawtamur within Meghalaya would be steadfast during the second phase of border.
Committee naki stakeholders nakasnong nakima ba maki ken haban penbiang iki kot kisla baro iki taki claims ke ba mangi kita ki jingkam ke jongni ke ba mangi ngidon knang ba ngila ban challenge hagene ke jingi penbet put bat ka sokar Assam